With Avanta, we focus specifically on 3 areas that small business owners end up in a legal action over. We're in the avoidance business here at Avanta. We want you to avoid getting into a lawsuit. We don't want you to involve attorneys. That's the last resort. We know at the end of the day, you're going to be protected and avoid litigation because we have focused on these 3 specific areas. We help you figure out the right legal entity and how to maintain it. We help you figure out the right contracts that you specifically need for your type of business and your expectations as the business owner. We help you figure out the best systems to set up to protect you in case there is an employee issue that occurs. We run our law practice like a business, not like a law practice. That is the key difference between Avanta and other law firms. We are focusing on customer service. The value of working with us is that you will know in advance. You will understand what your obligations are. You will know how to handle them and manage them because we show you. We don't just write a contract and say you're off and running. Every step that we work with you on that contract is educating you on the purpose behind setting up the terms in the way that we do because of your type of business. As soon as something changes in your business, you do something different or you add on a different service, that's a trigger for you to say, oh, we should probably consult with Avanta again to see if there's something that we need to do differently in this contract or with our legal entity. We want to help you from the moment you start your business all along the way until you sell it because that's the goal. We want to help you provide the value in your business so that when you're ready to retire, ready to sell it, you're going to recoup the value that you've put in. Schedule a consultation with us. Let us hear what you're doing and give you some ideas on how you can protect your business today.